Today we are gonna make some milk splash photos. The first thing you need to do is set up your equipment. Fill a bowl or a dinner plate with milk. You don't need a lot of milk, but make sure you fill the bowl right to the edge. Place your camera at eye level with the milk. As a background, I use black cardstock. I only have one speedlight in softbox and I put it on the right side of the bowl. Left, I use white cardstock to bounce some of the light back from the flash. In order to photograph the droplets, I use something similar to an IV from the hospital. That way, I can control the speed of the droplets. It costs me about $8 on AliExpress. A soap cloth or a sandwich bag will work too. To focus on the droplets, I watch where they fall and put something in the milk on that particular spot. That way it's much easier to set the focus right. I don't have a macro lens, so I use my 50mm lens and crop it later in Photoshop. I shoot in manual mode. You don't want the ambient light to interact with the flash. When you take a shot without flash, the photo should be completely black. I set the aperture to f10 and the shutter speed to 160 of a second. When the shoot is done, I select the raw files in Adobe Bridge and open Camera Raw in Photoshop. I brighten up the whites and darken the blacks. Then, I crop the photo to my desired size. I clean up the photo by retouch all the dust and splatters I don't want. I also added some food coloring to the milk and the IV. That way, the droplets are blue, but the milk on my dinner plate is still white. In the editing, I did the same as the last photo, but with this one, I found the milk looked a bit too yellow for my liking. So I desaturate only the orange tones and give the blues a little boost. Sometimes, when two droplets collide, you get some beautiful crowns. It's a lucky shot when you capture a photo like that if you don't have an electronic device like a Miyap Splash. With that, you can control precisely how many droplets are falling and how much delay in between. I managed to capture a photo like that, but it costs me the entire day. Tag me on Instagram if you tried it yourself, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more photography, drawing, and DIY.